Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. It's kind of a windy day here in Texas, but I'm excited to show you this 2019 ATC aluminum toy hauler. And those of you that know ATC know they build some of the best quality trailers on the planet. They hold remarkable resale and they just last for years. This one comes equipped with the electronic smart jack. It's got lots of storage compartments and it's very wide and it's got a tall ceiling. It also has an escape door. Those of you that have maybe a little race car or even a little hot rod you want to take with you on your out-of-town trips, it allows you to get in and out of the door. It's got a nice fold-down ramp on the back, and I've got plenty of pictures of it folded down. But if you are going to haul a race car or a classic car, you'll need some race ramps to extend it out. I've got the awning out only halfway because it's pretty windy today, but you can see it's got the LED light strip. Also, the speakers outside are Sony and they're waterproof. It has a Bluetooth sound system. This also comes with a built-in generator and a 36-gallon fuel capacity. It's like a fuel station. Oh, there's your spare tire right there. But it basically allows you to pump gas into your ATV. I'll show you that here in a minute. Let's have a look inside. It's got these locking solid steps which are adjustable for different places where you might park it. This also comes with a ATC 3-year transferable warranty. So you could actually transfer the balance of it into your name. The floor is extruded aluminum, and then they make this nice little carpet mat. So when you wake up in a chilly morning, your feet aren't going to get cold. It's got a stainless steel sink. It's got a 2-burner gas cooktop. It's got a convection oven. I don't think it's ever been used. Just the quality of these cabinets are all aluminum faced, really nice latches. I mean, this is a high quality setup. It's got a Fusion Bluetooth sound system so you can stream music. A nice Samsung flat screen TV. This is your panel for the generator. It's got 30.7 hours. In fact, we can hit this little button here. She fires right up. You got your LED awning light, floodlights, and the awning is power. You hit the retract button and it comes right in. It's a pretty nice feature. Then you got your kitchen light, garage light, water heater, freshwater tank, gray tank, black tank, and lots of storage. Check out this closet. Good place to hang your stuff, but everything's nice aluminum faced front and rear. It's really top of the line stuff. Most RVs are made to be lightweight, and the problem is when they're made out of wood and trim inside, they kind of fall apart going down the highway. But a race trailer or an aluminum trailer such as this will hold up for years, and you can pull it lots of miles. It's got the aircraft tie downs in the floor, and you notice the fender wells are barely sticking up inside the interior. So if you've got a dune buggy or something really wide, it works really good. The power bed has a button control up front. It's a nice high density foam mattress. It still gives you plenty of height. I believe that door is almost 7 feet. At least the ceiling is. It might be a few inches from that. It's got 2 air conditioning systems, roof air, and again these beautiful aircraft quality aluminum cabinets. This is one of the bench seats that folds down and it makes into a bed as well. And then you got the dinette area here that folds down, and then this is the table that's strapped up right here. These sunshades, they call them slow rise. I think when you let them go, they go up in a very controlled, slow manner. It's got vents, front and rear. So if you got fuel in here, or a dune buggy or a razor, it lets the gas fumes escape. Then back here you got the bathroom. It's got a nice, beautiful aluminum door. And this one was special ordered with the red panels. Full-size shower, you can stand up in, got lots of room. It's got the carpet mat in the bathroom. Really nice storage. Very deep cabinets. They really put a lot of thought into their trailers. Everything's just super high quality. And the old saying, cheap isn't good and good isn't cheap. And that applies once you've had a regular RV and you step up to one of these, then you realize what function is all about and quality is all about. Lots of LED lights. It's just a beautiful rig. And the escape door is a nice touch because, like I said, if you got a little classic Camaro or some kind of car, you can pull it right up in here and open your door and get out, and it's not a juggling act. Everything's just finished out super nice. ATC has been building trailers for years, and they are on top of their game, that's for sure. We'll have one more look outside. I do have the generator running. And it's located up here in the front. It's a very quiet generator. There's the exhaust. Yeah, and what's nice about it, the generator is not only quiet, but it's in the front of the trailer, in front of the bathroom, and the bed is all the way in the back. So if you want to run the AC while you sleep, you're just not even going to hear it, especially with this door closed. Make for some peaceful sleeping. A lot of RVs are laying literally on top of the generator. But if you have any questions, give us a call. We do have the build sheet, and we're going to put that on the listing. Shows all the options that were ordered extra, along with the standard features. But somebody's going to get them a really beautiful red ATC toy hauler. Thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.